Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Foodi Power Mixer to make sugarless whipped cream. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this video we're going to need heavy whipping cream, some vanilla extract, as always a little bit of monk fruit sweetener, and some sort of whisk. I'll tell you what though, if you're using a whisk to make whipped cream, good luck because your arm's going to fall off. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. For us, we're going to be using a Ninja Foodi Power Mixer. The great thing about this is it can be an immersion blender, or I could pop off the end here, throw on the other handle, and then I have a hand mixer. It comes with beaters that go into here, but we're not going to use those because it also comes with a whisk. So let's put this right in here, and then we're going to set this aside just for a second. The first thing we're going to need is a medium-sized mixing bowl. For best results in your whipped cream, you want the cream and the bowl to be really cold. With the cream, just leave it in the refrigerator until you plan on using it. And for the bowl, I've actually put this in the freezer for a while to get it as cold as possible. If you've never made whipped cream before, you're going to see how unbelievably easy this is to make. So let's go ahead and pour in our heavy cream, a little bit of vanilla extract, and our monk fruit sweetener. And now all we gotta do is whisk this until we get some nice soft peaks forming. In fact, we're gonna show you the entire whisking process, except we're just gonna speed it up really quick so you're not sitting here staring at the screen for a few minutes. Just remember that if you're using a hand mixer, to put the whisk down into it before you start it up. That way you can avoid splattering stuff all over the place. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. You can see that the closer this gets to being finished, the more you see the peaks and stuff forming in the cream here. Once you start seeing these, keep a close eye out because it means we're almost done.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
And once it gets nice and thick like this, then you're done. Just remember not to overmix this because if you do, it's going to end up breaking down. Well, that's looking pretty good, and the best part, this only took about 5 minutes. And the taste, fantastic. If you compare this sugarless whipped cream to something like sugarless Cool Whip that you get out of the grocery store, you're going to find out that there's no comparison between the two. Once you start making whipped cream this way, you'll probably never buy it out of the store ever again. Remember, it may be sugarless, but it's not calorie free, so eat responsibly. If you'd like some more information about the Ninja Foodi Power Mixer system that we use in this video, we do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where we use an immersion blender to show you how to make some really good mayonnaise. That's something that takes under a minute to make, and it's another one of those things to where once you start making it yourself, you'll never want to buy it from the grocery store ever again. Well, that's it for now. Hope to see you again really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.